When the ball starts in numbers cold, YouTubers join in young and old. Packages with a sweet surprise, tricks and treats await inside, and the Dapper Divas have finally arrived. Now don't be alarmed if you find you're charmed. We Dapper Divas truly mean no harm. Each of us bring our own vibe. You'll want to join our tribe. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Boo to you.
And you. Happy Halloween. Hey guys, it's Saria. Welcome back to my channel and day 24 of the Boo Ball. So unfortunately, I was not crowned queen, but it's okay. It's not like I was super bitter about it or anything. I would like to start this video off just by saying thank you to Beth. Beth is over at the Collectioneers Club and it's of course her YouTube channel. I will have her linked below along with the entire Boo Ball playlist so that if you guys haven't been watching, you can catch up. Basically, Beth organized this last year and it was honestly, I think probably my favorite collab that I've ever done just because I love Halloween, I love box swaps, I love YouTube, and this is the biggest of all of those things. So yeah, Beth being awesome. Organized this last year and then did it again this year, and if you guys missed it last year, I'll also have last year's video linked in the description box below if you'd like to watch it. And if you are like, Saria, what's the Boo Ball? I have no idea what you're talking about. It's basically a giant Disney YouTuber box swap for the month of October, where every single day of October, somebody in our little community is opening a box. So this year's a little bit different than last year. This year, Beth said that we had to use this box right here. So this is a flat rate shipping box from the post office, and every single YouTuber had to use the exact same box, meaning if it didn't fit in the box, you're not supposed to send it because rules. We all know how good as Disney YouTubers are, rules. I did follow the rules. Everything that I sent fit into my box. It fit in there super tightly and my Tetris skills were definitely put to use, but it did fit. And so this was just kind of a cool twist that Beth decided to put on it. So there was no price limit, it was a box limit, if that makes sense. And then also a small twist of this was that, how do I explain this part? So nobody knows who got whose box. So for example, I have no idea whose box this is. I have no idea who got my box. This year it is a surprise for us as well as you guys. So that's super, super cool. I am super excited. I am going to go ahead and get into this box because I'm dying to know who got or whose box I got. Okay, so first of all, it is super cute on the inside. Very, very cute. Happy Halloween. Like close with this cute little shiny sticker. Oh, that's a cute card. Okay, so it says, too sweet, too spooky. No, too sweet, too spook. I can read, totally. Dun, 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 dun. Hello, ghoulish gifty. I hope this box brings you all the spooky vibes. What better than all this Disney Halloween fun? Nothing. Hello. Enjoy and happy Halloween. Rita from Enchanted Rita. So I got the box of Enchanted Rita. I do know Rita. We've done a few collabs together. So yay! Okay, so first of all, thank you, Rita. This box is adorable. I'm sorry. I'm like really trying not to like scream, but these are the only park ears that I've seen in the last like months that I've even been tempted to buy. And now I have them. These are my first pair of park ears ever. Let's see, shall we? Can we just, oh my god, can we just cut this tag off? These are my sewing scissors. Okay. Guys, I'm so freaking excited. Hold on. Okay, I freaking love these. I'm not kidding you guys. I've entered 2 giveaways to try to win these. 2. Did I win? No, but that's okay because now I have them. Oh my God, Rita, thank you so freaking much. When I tell you like these were at the tip top of my like wish list, I could like stop opening right now and be happy. And I know people say that all the time. I'm just telling you, like, genuinely, I could stop opening right now and be super happy because I don't buy myself park ears. These are my first pair of Disney park ears. Anyway, I'm gonna give you guys a close up so you can see all the little details and then keep opening. Okay, so the next one, they all have these super cute little animal googly eye monster stickers. That is adorable. This is really pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna be transparent. I'm not a big Nightmare Before Christmas fan. I'm just not. I know, I'm sorry, don't come for me. But it is a very beautiful, high quality, sparkly, kind of iridescent Nightmare Before Christmas scarf that has Jack all over it. This is super pretty. It's got little tassels on the end. It's very beautiful. I can appreciate it, even though I'm not a big Nightmare Before Christmas fan. So Rita, thank you for sending like high quality items. That's just such a considerate, like sweet, it really shows like a person's heart when they're like, I'm gonna send things that are really well made. I appreciate that. And this is also from the Disney parks. What? So super gorgeous. Thank you so much, Rita. Okay, this is just ribbon and I think it came off of a gift, but I'm totally keeping this because it's Coco inspired ribbon. It has like Hector and Miguel and the little guy who's working on the computer when Mama Imelda is like, this devil box. It has Pepita on it. Oh my God, it's so freaking cute. Absolutely saving this. And then this is not wrapped, so I'm gonna pull this out. Oh my God. Is this, okay, so I think that this was on this candle because the sticker on this candle, it's circa 1955. These are those Disney candles and it says Marigold Blessing, so I'm assuming this is like a cocoa inspired candle. Oh my God, it smells so good. It definitely has a marigold smell. That's a very true marigold smell, and it's also very clean, almost like it's got an air of like that linen scent to it. It smells delicious now. It smells beautiful. It's just a simple white candle, but it is smells really good. It's also very strong. Like when I went like this, the smell kind of hit me. I've actually not bought any circa 1955 candles, so first one, that's awesome. And I love Coco so much. I've done some Coco tutorials on my channel. It's such an underrated, amazing movie. So that is super awesome. Thank you so much. And again, like really high quality gifts. These are way over the top, Rita. Like you crammed a lot into a super tiny box because it looks like there's like even more presents in here. So let's see. Something's like poking out. Okay, so again, super cute little pumpkin guy on the front. I'm just gonna tear into this one. Yes! Guys. Hang on, can I flip this over? Guys, I'm in the parks. I close my eyes and I smell my candle. I'm in the parks right now, enjoying Halloween. Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party is next. And the Boo to You Parade. Rita, this is amazing. Oh my God, it's literally like I got the parks in a box. Thank you so much. I'm loving my box right now. Okay. Okay, so this is like so cute. I missed these, but there are I think the stupid camera cut out and lost my reaction of the pin But guys, this might be the cutest pin I've ever seen. It is a Disney Parks pin of the castle, of the Disneyland castle, and it is all candy corn and lollipop, Mickey lollipops and candy and Halloween amazingness. It's literally like the Disney castle turned into a Halloween Disney castle and candy, and I love it. That is so freaking cute, Rita. I love this so much. I'm not a huge pin collector, but that's what's so nice, because then when I get a pin, you know I don't already have it, because I don't have that many. But I definitely don't have any Halloween pins, so that's super cool. Thank you so much, Rita. I love it so much. Girl, you are killing it with like the theming and the choices. I genuinely feel like I'm in the parks right now. Let's see what's next. Do we see how much I like Hocus Pocus behind me? That's gonna be an important factor on this next gift. Okay, so again, full disclosure, I do have this Funko. It is the Mary Sanderson eating a bowl of Cheetos Funko, and it's amazing. And what's really funny is I got this Funko last year in the Boo Ball. Okay, so this was kind of the risk of this swap, was that we did not get a specified person. Everyone was given the same parameters of, this is your box, fill it with Halloween stuff that you think is nice and awesome and you would be happy to receive it yourself. And that's it. And then we just get the box. So like how I got this, and I'm not a big Nightmare Before Christmas fan, like Rita would have no way of knowing that because she had no idea that I was gonna be the one to get the box. And on the flip side of that, she had no idea I was gonna get the box, but I did. And these are things that are freaking amazing and they make me super, super happy. So I love Hocus Pocus so much. Oh my God, that's so cute. So honestly, like this is such a good gift for me. I just already have it and that's totally okay. Again, full disclosure, I'm pretty sure that these next two gifts are the other Sanderson sister Funkos and that's totally okay. Really, like I'm not sitting here like, oh my God, I'm so disappointed because Rita went so above and beyond. Honestly, these three Funkos could not be in here at all and I still would have felt completely spoiled. So I am gonna go ahead and open them just to show you guys. Okay, so Rita, I just want to say thank you because I was saying thank you and my camera cut out, so I'm going to keep saying thank you just because I don't know what got cut out. Thank you so much. There was so much thought and effort and just cuteness that went into this box. Like super amazing Coco inspired candle, beautiful pin. The ears are the ears are my favorite thing. Like let's be honest, the ears are my favorite thing. They're something I wanted so badly, so I was just so happy to get them. This necklace is freaking adorable and I will wear this to school. I will absolutely wear this to school and I will pretend that I'm in the parks. I wonder if I could wear my ears to school. I vote yes. And then as far as these go, I know that they're doubles and it honestly doesn't bother me. I think that it was so sweet of her to include such amazing gifts in a box and she didn't know that I was gonna already have them. Make sure you guys head over to Rita's channel and subscribe to her because I have no idea if she's gone already in the Boo Ball yet and you wanna make sure that you don't miss her video as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to go back through the Boo Ball playlist and watch all of the other Be sure to watch all of the other videos that have gone so far. If you guys are interested in my little intro that happened at the beginning, if you aren't already subscribed to Rowan, Erica, and Jossam, be sure to go do that because they are some of my closest friends in this little Disney community and I want you to go support them. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Packages with a spooky surprise, tricks and treats away. Cool.
When the YouTube, oh my goodness.
Oh my God, it fell out of my ear. It fell out of my ear. It fell out of my ear. Oh my God, all I hear is like Saria's beautiful angelic voice and then I hear nothing and I'm like, oh, no. This thing dropped, Rowan. Mine drops too, Rowan.
You will want to join our tribe. Be sure to drop your earphone in the middle of singing. Cool. When the Boo Balls numbers, but it's not gonna work. It's literally not gonna work. Young and old. I'm gonna stop. I'm just gonna stop. I can't do it. Join in young and old. Packages with a spooky surprise. My hair keeps getting caught in my laptop. Comment and subscribe. I'm literally joking. That was a good one, Saria.